care of her. Oh.
The first thing that I asked was, like, what stood out to you about either Taylor or Rachel when you first started dating? Rachel said that Taylor's patience and positivity were two of the things that stood out to her. First off, she said that he likes to read and play guitar in his spare time instead of playing video games like most guys she knew. And his obvious hotness. Taylor said that Rachel's sense of humor really stood out to him when they first started dating, and that he couldn't stop laughing at everything she said or did, and I think we all probably feel that way in a good way. Taylor said that he wishes that Rachel knew the depth of positive influence that she has on other people. She leaves beauty and a radiant stamp everywhere she goes. And when I hear that and was reading through things, I was like, man, that's so true. Rachel said that hours later they were in a conversation in Market Square with another couple, that as in turn when they're like, you know, how long have you guys been together? And the couple's like, 30 years. And they're like, what about you guys? And they're like, 3 hours. And, Rachel said that that moment really stuck with her because she was thinking about what it would be like to be on the other side. Well, you're a little over 5 years in now, so how's it looking?
Pretty good.
Nice. Okay. Rachel said that Taylor has taught her not to sweat the small things, like missed an exit, you know, who cares, like whatever, let's add another couple minutes, or it's gonna pour down rain on your wedding day. Luckily, it hasn't, but that would have been a fun rendition anyway. He said it would turn out to be a good story. Taylor talked about how Rachel has taught him to see the most important side of things instead of getting like caught up in the details where you can get stressed out or overwhelmed by that stuff, just to see the most important parts, and that's helped kind of bring a lot of ease to his mind in those ways. I asked them, what are some favorite dates that you guys have been on? And Taylor said that the day they got engaged was one of his favorite dates. Fundamentally, that makes sense. He said that they took Pepper on a hike to the river and drank champagne to celebrate. Then they went to an arcade for like 4 hours. And I was like, yeah, that checks out for you guys. By the power vested in me through the internet and 2 trusted friends, I now pronounce you husband and wife, and you guys should totally make out now. All right, we love it. All right, go.
Together in a perfect union. It is one of those beautiful things.